under my belt, I've been very much cautious on choosing who to partner with. Siyempre, hindi naman pwede nakuha lang tayo ng brands, and then at the same time, we don't believe in the vision. But right now with this, with Special Line, of course, this is like what I said a while ago, elevating and giving solutions to the smiles of the Filipinos every day. Since this is this has a core of thorough studies, doctor-led innovations, and at the same time, top of the line, backed up with top of the line technology behind how it's done. This is something new and something very competitive that we can bring to the market, especially the orthodontic aspect of our daily lives. So that's the reason why I said yes, and at the same time, this is solving a problem kasi sa in our everyday lives, which is our smile. Siyempre, hindi naman tayo lahat is blessed with a beautiful smile, di ba? So somehow, one way or another, we needed help. And with Special Line, I think this is one of the ways we can help those people, especially the Filipinos who are in need, to improve and upgrade and fix whatever's wrong with their smiles and everything.
Thanks, Alden. Alden, you can also answer the question, but Dr. Morgan can also answer the rest from the JAOC team. Because it's relatively new, the clear braces technology. So what can you, how can you assure those future users na medyo may having second thoughts on this new technology and if it's effective in their dental needs?
Thank you for the question. Basically, clear aligner technology has been around already. It's been more than 10 years. And it's a revolutionary product for humanity, I would say, because nobody would like to wear wire metal braces or ceramic braces anymore. Why is this? Because not only it would be on the aesthetic aspect, but of course, people would like to be more, we're talking about accuracy. Nowadays, dentistry, dental science has evolved so many years advanced. We're looking at the CAD/CAM technology. Everything is computer-aided design, so everything is pre-planned already. So those individuals or people who are having second thoughts, it has now been, how would I say, revolutionized. Not are we only talking about the accuracy and the precision of the treatment, but also we're also looking at the cost as well. We also have reduced the cost for it's now affordable and it's very beneficial for all individuals. Ranges from, I would say, in the early teens or as early as 12 years old and up to in their 50s, 60s, or even 70s. But of course, I'm not an orthodontist. I would like to reserve that all the answers for our Dr. Baracas for that.
Hi, hello. So I'm very excited always to explain to the patients how different clear aligners are with braces. Because with clear aligners, you'll be able to join them. They become part of the journey. They get to see how their teeth will look like from start to finish. That's very different with fixed braces. With fixed braces, all we can explain to the patient is, oh, your teeth is like this now, it's going to look like this after 2 years. With clear aligners and with digital technology, modern orthodontics, we get to show the patients how the process is for them. And according to a lot of studies already, this is not just a study that it is effective. There are a lot of articles out there that will show you that clear aligners are very much effective.
It's both technology and affordability.
Yes.
I'll be back. As a question, I'll give you time to react yung generous words of Dr. Mark Gan earlier. Alden embodies authenticity, humility and confidence, positive influence, and genuine connection with the Filipino audience. How do you intend to maintain this kind of reputation, especially now that you're with Special Line?
Actually, thank you, Doc, for those kind words. But I think most of you guys here know me already for almost a decade, and I think it's really part of who I am. So hindi naman ako nahihirapan to really go with those kinds of values because it's actually somehow innate within me. So, especially with the confidence of the brands partnering up with us, I think it gives me more reason to be more of those things that you mentioned and even more. Kasi it's no joke that big brands such as Specialine, yung bigla kang, and not bigla, but yung pagkakatiwalaan ka with these kinds of campaign, you know, to bring in social change. So I think that's more than enough reason for me to keep on going, keep on moving forward, and at the same time, you know, take care of the brands that has been under my belt for almost a decade. And kami ni Dr. Ken kasi has been friends more than brand endorser relationship. We've been together for almost at least a decade, 15 years then, Doc. So that gives me more than enough reason to be loyal to Dr. Gan and to the things that he is about to do, and with all of the new innovations that he has. So that's how I show my support to brands who have trusted me for a very long time.
Thank you and congratulations.
Thanks, MJ.
Thank you for that question. Metal braces and I would say clear or orthodontic traditional braces is still effective, of course. They use the push and pull concept. But of course, again, and our orthodontist can discuss more that on clinically. But on my point of view as a surgeon and as again how I started this company, we wanted to make sure, because with the clear aligner technology, usually when you have that technology, when you design it and you send it to whoever's designing it abroad, when you get the product, you get it after 3 to 4 months. It takes almost forever. And of course, that's also another 3 to 4 months where the patient is, it proves as an inconvenience for their treatment. Whereas with Specialine, upon our orthodontist group, when we approve the case and study the case, 5 to 7 days, you already have the product. So again, traditional braces is effective, of course, but it also it depends on the individual skill, the orthodontist or the general dentist skill. But of course, in computer-aided design, we have AI technology, and of course, I'm very proud to say with Specialine, our designers abroad are all orthodontists. And of course, we also have a team of 4 orthodontists here to make sure that every treatment, every case is perfection or near perfection.
Okay, so Alden, I have a question for you. So of course, Happy New Year. You look so fresh. Okay, yeah, of course. So since we're talking about fresh, you have a good smile. So clean state this year, right?
Yes.
So what's a smile worthy you're going to reconnect or to recommit this year? And what do you think that Specialine can relate to the people?
Sorry, can you repeat that?
What smile-worthy habit are you
Oh,
going
okay,
to
smile-worthy.
recommend this year? And of course, what do you think that Specialine can relate to people this year? Of
Yes. So when it comes to habits, I think sometimes we tend to take for granted the things we love to do just to bend to society and what the public eye wants. But being able to do that is quite fulfilling. And being partnered with Specialine right now, with the things that I love to do, I can smile confidently and show everyone that minsan hindi naman masamang magbigay ng oras sa mga bagay na gusto mong gawin. And I think that's also what Specialine has with one of its core values, talaga yung to really fit into the lifestyle of different individuals and to really be less of a hassle. Yung the way we're taking care of our orthodontic aspects of our being. So, like sabi ko nga dun sa ad kanina na wearing Specialine, the only thing that's visible is the results, and that's my smile.
Can you smile? Thank you.
There you go. Thank you.
Good afternoon. Hi, I'm Jerry Donato from the Philippine Star.
Hi, Jerry.
Kasi since tinanong na niya yung about Smile Alden, okay. Anyway, belated but happy birthday.
Thank you.
Well, it's also my birthday on the 23rd. Anyway.
Aquarius.
O lahat tayo ng mga Gutierrez din.
Oh,
Gutierrez
yes,
din.
yes.
Anyway, yun na, kasi yung question is about smile. So what makes you smile?
You know, being able to do the thing that I love to do, which is